Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natty K, and I'm back with another video, back with another story time.
Hey, that mash up, girl, you know, for do your thing, you know, take back job. You know, for do your thing. She come too sexy, spice like New Orleans, yeah, go and do the thing. And who got the keys to me, mommy, wants to do the thing right now, and I know that, you know this, and that body is so big, can't forget, make it so.
So basically, today's story time is gonna be about the worst motive ever. The worst motive I have ever been to date. Like it was just something. Like it was so bad. Like I'm just getting flashbacks now, and I'm just thinking, what the like? How can a party be so bad? Like, what? Anyways, okay. Without further ado, let's get in the video. It was my friend's party. Well, my friend at the time, it was her party. It was her 18th, I'm sure, and she was doing it like a joint party with one of her friends. And then obviously, like, it was in Edinburgh. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go, because that's not only outfit, that's train ticket, transport when you get there. I was just thinking, like, obviously she's my friend, I'm gonna make it work. Obviously, before I went to this girl's party, let me give her a name. Peach. I'm gonna call her Peach. Before me and my friend went to Peach's party, we had work, so we were going to work first. As soon as I woke up this day, everything was just going left. Like, went to work, worst shift ever. So we finished work at like 7. Mind you, we need to still travel from Glasgow to Edinburgh. So we're thinking, how are we gonna get ready? Where are we gonna get ready? How are we gonna get to this party before, like everything was just in our heads, like, why didn't we think of this before? So yeah, finished work now. We went to our friend's house that was like near town. So we went to her house, got ready quick. And then we said, okay, let's get a taxi to the train station. But in Glasgow, there's 2 train stations. There's Queen Street and then there's Central. So we got the taxi to Central. We asked when's the next train to go to Edinburgh. They said that doesn't come till half an hour. We said... They said there's one coming in Queen Street in 5 minutes. We said, zoom! Zoom, zoom, zoom. We started running up to that train station. It's not far, but like it's far when like you're trying to rush to go there. Like got on the train, like Dammy's like like we're breathing like we've just ran a whole 5K marathon, like no joke. The way we were running, it was like our lives depended on it. We get to Queen Street, we buy our tickets quick, and then we just run. Like we made it by like 1 minute. So we got on the train now, yeah. And obviously, we've all bought child tickets because the fuck. I've got a child ticket forever because I'm a child of God. But this day, I wasn't looking like a kid. Like, I'm going to insert a picture right here because I just wasn't looking like a kid at all. Like, I can even say to you, I wasn't looking like a kid. So, the ticket people come.
Tickets, please.
So I'm thinking, okay, come. Gave him my ticket. And then I looked at the ticket. She looked at me. She looked at the ticket. Looked at me.
You're not a child.
I said... Yes, I am. I am a child. Knowing fine well in my own head, I was not a child. I said, yes, I am. I'm a child.
When you're at birth, I
said, Hey. I started thinking, I was like, you know when you start doing quick maths in your head, like, if I was this age, if I'm 15 now, how about like, when's the year I was born, blah, blah, blah. And I was on the spot, yeah. So I just said a date. And then, like, it happened to be that I was 15. So then she was like,
I still don't believe you. Do you have any form of ID?
I was like, what the fuck? The girl asked for my date of birth. I told you my date of birth. Now you want to come and arrest me because I don't have ID. I was like, I'm 15. Why would I have ID? She's like,
you don't look 15.
I was like, okay. Like, I was being so rude, but it was just because I was so stressed. You know when you're like, everything is going wrong and then somebody wants to come and add on to your, like, can you leave me alone? Like, I'm 15. I'll be going. So me and my friends have got off the train now. We're trying to book an Uber from the train station to Peach's party. So tell me why it says £20. £20? As in 20.
Coronavirus!
But then like it kind of worked out okay because obviously we're chipping in, but like £20, are you good? I was planning on paying chipping in a little £2.50, but like £20, like no fuck. All chipped in for the £20 Uber. Fucking rip off. 65 hours later, we've got to Peach's party. So we're hearing the music. We're like, yeah, you know, gay fucking shit. So then we get out the taxi. Obviously, we can hear the music from downstairs. We get out the taxi. We get inside. We're seeing everybody like, hi.
Come on, till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your.
So as we're broke off your back, You hear? I said, wow. When I tell you, it wasn't even 5 minutes till we got into this party, I started hearing police sirens. I said, what? So you mean to tell me that I went back and forth in Glasgow to a train station. I got on this train. I nearly got sent off the train because I didn't have an adult ticket. For police to now just come and ruin my nights? What is this life we live? Like, you know how when you have in the back of your mind, this party is about to get locked off, like there's too many people, too many black people here, the walls are sweating, everybody's frontals moving mad, like the sweat is now swept back, you can now see everybody's real forehead. I'm just thinking to myself, this party is definitely gonna get locked off. But I'm not trying to be like, you know, negative Nancy, like I'm trying to make the most of the time that we're here, innit? Deep this, guys. Now deep this. This is just like the worst part ever. Peaches and her friend didn't even make it to their own party. Like they did not even get to, you know, do 1-2 TikToks. They didn't get to do Shako on beat. They didn't get to do none of that. God said not today. Like they didn't get to enjoy their party at all. But they got to party after the police, as in like, what did you call for? Because your party is over. It's the fact that she legit invited the whole of Edinburgh and Glasgow. Like, what did you actually expect was gonna happen? Apparently the apartment was allowed parties, so like one of the girls' friends were there and she was like, this apartment is allowed parties. Like the police were having none of it. They were having none of it. They were like,
we don't care, it's time to leave.
But then Peach's friend came said to us, nah guys, like we just need to wait for the police to go, blah 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 blah. So we're thinking, okay, so all we need to do is go away 5 minutes and then come back. Went away 5 minutes, came back, police was still there. Oh my god, police was still there. So we're thinking, okay, so what now? And then so Peaches had two friends. One was quite nice. She was like, oh guys, go back when you go, like come back after 5 minutes. We're thinking, okay, calm, we come back now. Nobody is coming inside. Nobody. I ain't going anywhere. I came from Glasgow. I'm staying in this apartment. The fuck? First of all, we came back. Now there's no more trains going back to Glasgow tonight, so we can't even go back to the train station and get another train back to Glasgow. Like, there's no way we can do that. Peaches has student accommodation in Edinburgh, so she's like, oh guys, just go to my student accommodation. We're thinking, okay, calm. She's like, just follow the crowd. We're thinking, okay, cool. Like, we just need to follow the crowd. We lost the crowd. The crowd disappeared. So now it's just me and Dami roaming the streets of Edinburgh like fools. Like we didn't know where we were going. We were just walking. I'm trying to phone Peaches. I'm trying to phone people that are like, you know, that are going to the apartment. Nobody's answering me. Suddenly everybody's phones are off. Suddenly everybody's blind. Nobody's answering Nadie now. So me and Dami are just walking. We're just walking. We don't know where we're walking to. We're just walking. Guys, when I tell you, me and Dami roamed the streets of Edinburgh till like 4 a.m. Until Peaches just decides, oh, Nadie called me like 3 hours before. Let me just call her back. So obviously, she's now gave us the address. So now we've got it on Google Maps. We're walking. Me and Dami are thinking, what? It's 4 a.m. Who's driving behind us like this? And you know that we were like, they're starting to slow down. We're just thinking, he drove in front of us now and he stopped. We're thinking, nah, Dami. Me and Dami are thinking, nah, it's time to skirt. It's time to be doing detour because there's no way this day can get any worse. But like this guy is just trying to make it worse. Finally, we've walked past like that guy's car. And we just keep walking, like we've not even turned back to see where he is. We just kept walking. I got to the student accommodation. Finally got to the student accommodation. Everybody's here. They're all just laughing as if me and Dami have not just caught pneumonia and every other single disease that relates to the cold. And everybody's just here smiling as if we weren't like, you know, about to die. We're leaving this place right before the first train. Like, I mean, we legit took our corners in this couch. Like, there was a big couch here. We took our corners in this couch and just went to sleep. This whole weekend was a cash loss just to listen to like 30 seconds of a song. Just to listen to 30 seconds of a song. This whole weekend cost me, let's say, like, because, you know, outfit, transport to get to Edinburgh, like all of that. And I didn't even enjoy myself. I didn't even have a good time. Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
But yeah, that's it for my video, guys. Obviously, moral of the story is never go to a motive in Edinburgh because it'll most likely get locked up and it'll most likely be shit. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Nadie!
What?
Listen, Nadie. Put the dress in. Put the
party.